This is a SNAP-Ed New York video presentation.
Hi everyone, Brittany here, SNAP-Ed Educator in Erie County, and today I'm going to be making a veggie omelet in a mug. You heard that right, in a mug. Everything we eat and drink matters, so make time for this quick and easy breakfast. My favorite part about this recipe is I can eat a variety of vegetables and use up my dinner leftovers all at once. And don't forget, eggs are a quick and inexpensive protein source. Today's recipe makes one omelet in less than 2 minutes in the microwave and costs less than $1 per serving. You can save even more money by using ingredients you already have at home. Today's breakfast includes 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of low-fat milk. I'm going to be substituting water instead of milk. 2 tablespoons of grated cheese. I'm going to be using some cheddar cheese. 1/4 cup of finely chopped vegetables. I'm going to be using my leftover mushrooms, broccoli, and garlic. And we'll also need a dash of salt and pepper. Eggs are a low-cost way to vary your protein. Not to mention low in calories with a ton of protein, vitamins, and minerals to give you energy for the day. Eating lean protein foods like eggs can help build strong bones and muscles. Vegetables are also full of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Fiber keeps you fuller longer, helps with digestion, and can even help lower cholesterol, blood sugar, and help you maintain a healthy weight. Make it a full My Plate meal and eat your omelet with a whole grain like a slice of whole wheat toast and a piece of fruit like maybe an apple. Food safety is key when it comes to cooking, so before you start, wash your hands for at least 20 seconds using soap and water, and make sure all of your utensils and cutting boards are clean. I washed my vegetables before cooking them for dinner last night. If you aren't using leftover vegetables, wash them under some cool running water. First thing you'll need to do is mince your veggies. That just means cut them really small. You can make breakfast even quicker by doing this the night before. Now, reach into your cupboard and grab your favorite microwave-safe mug and spray it with some pan spray. Then, combine your eggs, milk or water, salt and pepper using a fork. Finally, add in your choice of vegetables and cheese. Put the mug in the microwave on high for about 45 seconds. Stir it and put it back in for at least another 45 seconds until the mixture has puffed and set. You'll want to check it often so you not end up with an exploding omelet. The omelet may look wet on top, but it will dry as it cools. Wow, that was fast. And delicious. This recipe cost less than $1 per serving and was made in less than 2 minutes. And the protein and vegetable in this recipe will keep me full for hours. How can you make it your own? We hope you enjoy this tasty breakfast idea. For more ways to save time, save money, and eat healthy, check out our website at www.snapedny.org and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Bye for now.
Thank you for joining us today. We know the healthy choice isn't always the easiest choice, but small changes can make a big difference. Start today by getting involved with SNAP-Ed New York. This program is free for those who qualify or receive SNAP benefits. We want to help you save time, save money, and eat healthy. Learn how SNAP-Ed can make a difference in your life. For more information and to find your local program, visit snapedny.org. This material was funded by USDA's Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. SNAP. This institution is an equal opportunity provider.